How to use personal injury claim calculator online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Online personal injury claim calculators can estimate compensation, but most people get this wrong, leading to unrealistic expectations or missed settlements. You won't believe how often small mistakes affect the results. The first mistake is entering incomplete medical information. Compensation often depends on the severity and cost of injuries. Leaving out treatment, therapy, or prescriptions underestimates your claim. Another common error is ignoring lost income. Claim calculators factor in time off work and reduced earning capacity. Forgetting this can significantly lower your estimated settlement. Many users also skip pain and suffering assessments. While subjective, calculators often provide ranges. Failing to consider emotional, distress, or long-term effects gives an incomplete picture. A surprising mistake is using the wrong jurisdiction. Laws vary by state, and online calculators may not account for local rules. Always ensure the tool matches your location for accurate estimates. Finally, beginners often rely solely on the calculator without professional guidance. While helpful for estimates, consulting a lawyer ensures all damages, liabilities, and insurance nuances are properly addressed. To properly use a personal injury claim calculator online, enter complete medical info, include lost income, account for pain and suffering, verify jurisdiction, and consult a professional. Doing this gives a realistic estimate and strengthens your claim.